Noom Diabetes and Weight Loss App. The pros, the cons. Most people think losing weight is just about food, but Noom takes a different approach. The Noom Diabetes and Weight Loss App combines psychology, data, and coaching to help you change habits from the inside out. But is it really effective? Let's look at the pros and cons. Starting with the pros, Noom focuses on behavior change rather than strict diets. Through daily lessons and quizzes, it teaches you how to make smarter food choices and manage emotional eating. The app also includes blood sugar tracking and meal logging for users managing diabetes, which adds a valuable layer of health awareness. Another strength is the personalized coaching. You're paired with a trained health coach who checks in regularly, helping you stay accountable. The app also groups users into small communities for support and motivation, something that keeps many people engaged longer. Noom's color-coded food system is another highlight. Instead of banning foods, it classifies them as green, yellow, or red, helping you make mindful choices without guilt. It's flexible, not restrictive. Now for the cons. The subscription cost can feel steep, especially for long-term users. Some people find the daily lessons repetitive and progress tracking requires consistent input. And while Noom provides great education, it doesn't offer pre-planned meals, so self-discipline is key. In conclusion, the Noom Diabetes and Weight Loss App is perfect for people who want to understand their habits and build lasting change. It's more than just a diet app, it's a mindset shift. If you're ready to invest in learning how to manage both weight and blood sugar through psychology and awareness, Noom might be the smartest coach in your pocket.